Hello, hello. So I'm back here on YouTube. I'm Bhaskar Kumbhar. I'm actually here after a year. So there are so many updates that I'm want to share with you guys, and then I have so many excited plans ahead for this particular YouTube channel. So I know that I made a video of introduction about myself. It was the first video itself, and I uploaded that around on 22nd of January last year. But the thing is that I think there is a need to, share the updates of my life here. So talking about the education first, so I did finish my Bachelor's of Engineering in Information Technology from University of Mumbai in May 2022. Uh, I was attending a college named Anjuman Islam Muhammad Haji Sabu Siddiq College of Engineering. It was a good college. Then I decided to join the Arizona State University in fall 2024. That's August 2024. So I'm currently pursuing masters in data science, analytics, and engineering here in field of computing and decision analytics. Okay. So yeah, I'm in the States since 10th of August here. A little bit about experience. I'm gonna talk here that I have so I was a project intern at TIFR. It is nothing but Tata Institute of Fundamental Research. This was when I was in the bachelor's. Then after I finished my bachelor's, I joined software LTM entry as a software engineer, and I worked there for 1 year and 2 months, to be honest. Then also I have a huge amount of experience in life, almost 25 years. I'm not 25 years old yet, but I will be soon. So why Sun Devils? Well, the Sun Devils is nothing but the students who studies at it. You are Sun Devils. And the guy over here is the Sparky. Sparky is the football mascot of Arizona State University. So actually, I had admits from several universities like University of California, USA, which is a good college, Boston University, Northeastern University, then Indiana University, Bloomington, Vanderbilt University, also University of Arizona, and the Arizona State University itself. The thing is that I decided to go with Arizona State University. It's because of the flexibility to take the master's thesis here. If you want, you can do capstone project, which is 3 credits. And if you really want to do a little bit about research and all that, then you can just go ahead and take the master's thesis. That is 6 credits. And I think since I'm interested in doing PhD and all that, so I believe that master's thesis would be helping me out to understand what the PhD is going to be all about and all that. So that's the reason why I decided that I'll go to Arizona State University. Where was I since a year? Yeah, I believe that I uploaded my last video in January, like at the end of the January month in 2024, and it's been a year, more than a year actually. So basically, I was actually busy with my admits and all that. I was preparing to go to United States and all that. I was trying to upskill myself. I was working on my depression and anxiety because once you go to United States, you are going to get depressed and all that because you won't be there with your family. So I was making myself a bit stronger at that time. I was working on the skills related to data science and all that. I was spending time with my family and friends in that period, and I was also busy in the visa processes. It was very, very frustrating thing to do, but I got my visa, then I flew here, and I got busy in the semester. The first semester was a bit hard for me because I was new here. I was trying to settle down, and so many things happened with me during the first semester. It was quite overwhelming for me, but now it's totally fine. I'm focusing on my studies. I'm focusing on upskilling myself. I'm focusing on the research and all that. Also, I love teaching, so I'm focusing on that too. So yeah, I guess from now onwards, I won't be missing. Let's hope not. I won't go missing. You know, moving ahead, what are my summer plans for 2025? So today is 10th of May, and the summer vacation started today officially. at Arizona State University. So I really don't have an internship at all. So I have like huge amount of time to spend here on YouTube, to upskill myself, to teach you guys about the things that I know. And also I'm gonna focus a little bit on the thesis part as well. So yeah, I'm gonna keep myself busy. I'm definitely going to stay here in United States for the next 3 months in this summer, and then I'll start my fall semester. So yeah, that was my whole summer plan for 2025. And again, I did not get discouraged by no internship at all. Many people do go in depression and all that because they didn't get any internship. But the thing is that the job market, the internship market is very, very competitive in United States right now. So I mean, if you guys are sad about not getting internship, and if you guys are not distracting yourself and upskilling yourself because of that, then you guys are really missing out on this beautiful uh, 3 months. Those 3 months of summers, they are not going to come back in your life again. If you guys are like first year master students, or if you guys are bachelor students and all that, yeah, this summer, the 3 months and all that, they're not going to come back in your life again. So I really want you guys to focus on your studies and all that instead of crying about internship and all that. If you don't have any, if you have internship, congratulations. Focus on it, earn some good amount of money as well, and get good amount of experience. Moving ahead, the major channel language update here. So basically, I recorded like 3 videos, but they all were in Hindi. So my initial plan was to, focus on Hindi language, the Hindi content for the educational purposes and all that. But I really want to become a professor, so I decided that Hindi is not going to be. I won't be able to reach out or to the audience in if I use the Hindi language. And if I want to become a professor, then the educational videos in English are like super important. So I decided to switch from Hindi to English. I might upload one or two videos or few videos in Hindi. I don't know, but yeah, I have no plans about it right now. But the contents that you're gonna see ahead are definitely going to be in English language only. So why did I choose YouTube now in summer 2025? So basically, I really love explaining things, and I think teaching is a thing. So if I teach you guys, then of course I'm going to uh, build my presentation skills strong. My communication skills are going to be much better if I start teaching and all that. Also, it's gonna look beautiful on my resume. And you know, if you start teaching, then of course you are going to learn uh, new things by yourself. So yeah, I'm gonna upskill myself because of this thing. So yeah, and I really want to become a professor in future. So why not practice here? This is the free platform. You can practice here. Apart from that, I am not going to monetize the channel if I get so many subscribers. If I get, but let's see what happens. This slide. Time to be serious now. Okay. Serious mode on. So I'm going to talk about what are the things that I am going to discuss on this YouTube channel. Okay. So first of all, this YouTube channel is obviously going to be all about data science and artificial intelligence. Like what are the new things in this field? What are the new skills you can learn and all that? What are the new skills that I can teach, etc. I'm going to put everything here. So the format of the videos is definitely going to be like this. First of all, I'm going to explain the theory and then the practicals. Now, here the theory is better for both the bachelor students and the master students. Okay, I might provide the notes. I have no idea about it because I really don't believe much in the notes. I'll be presenting the slides and all that for the theoretical content. I guess those slides would be sufficient. And if there are any books or anything like that for the recommendation, I'm just gonna put them in my description. If there is a very very good YouTuber out there who is teaching that particular thing more perfectly than I am, then of course I'm gonna put the link down there as well. I really don't care from where you guys learn. I just care about learning. That's all. So yeah, I might upload some assignments in the description. Obviously, it's going to be a Google form and all that. If it's like optional, you guys can submit the assignments if you want. If I get the time, then of course I'm gonna review those assignments and gonna give you the feedback by myself. But if I get the time. But for the practice, you guys can work on the assignments and all that. And suppose if there is an assignment which is related to coding and all that, then of course I'm gonna solve that assignment on the YouTube channel itself, so you guys can compare the answers by yourself as well. So yeah, so in the next slide, I'm gonna discuss a few things that I'm going to talk about on this YouTube channel, like the content. So first of all, I am really interested in machine learning. So I'm gonna discuss about the machine learning topics here on the YouTube. Apart from that, I'm gonna talk about deep learning, what neural networks is, the convolutional neural networks, then RNN, then ANN. So many things are there. Then natural language processing is also one of the best skill that you can get. The Gen AIs and LLMs, you can see that there are like platforms like OpenAI has the ChatGPT, Meta has the Llama, Google has the Gemini, and all that. Those are the LLM models out there. So we are definitely going to discuss things about those models. We are going to discuss about the theory. Also, we are gonna do how to implement and all that in our project, how to implement those particular models in our project. So actually, I'm learning them by myself right now. So yeah, definitely, it's gonna take time for me to discuss those things discuss those things here on YouTube. Let's see. Then another skill that I'm gonna teach you guys is basically nothing but the prompting. So you guys know that, I mean, everybody uses the chat GPT these days for the coding, for the to understand something, for the concepts and all that. So I'm going to show you a way where you can do a better prompting. You can learn so many things from the chat GPT itself or from the Gemini and all that. So we are going to discuss about the prompting as well. Statistics, yeah, it's like the most fundamental thing for the machine learning, because the whole data science field is built on the statistics. So we really need to study the statistics as well. Then another thing is that I'm going to discuss here is about optimization. Now the thing is optimization. I had a course in this semester only. It was DSE 506, data driven optimization. So basically, you know, you guys will learn how to optimize your algorithms and all that throughout this course. So yes, definitely, I'm going to discuss about optimization here. Then another thing that I have here on my screen is artificial intelligence. So you guys know that artificial intelligence is the booming industry now these days. So if you know AI, then you know so many things. If you are a person who is working in the industry without AI, then the guy who knows the AI and has the knowledge about the field is gonna take you out and all that. So if you want to beat that person, you need to learn the artificial intelligence by yourself, and not just learn. You just need to start implementing the AI in whatever the things you are doing right now. That would increase your productivity, your quality, and all that, and you'll gain so many more skills with that. And if I get bored, maybe I'll upload the vlogs here once in a while, uh, just to tell the people that I am a human being who likes to enjoy as well, and I am alive and all that. Moving ahead, next video about what when. I have absolutely no idea when I'm going to upload the next video. I literally have no idea about what kind of video I'm going to create, but right now my heart is saying that you should start with the machine learning part and all that. I'm not sure. I'll work on it, and hopefully I will upload those videos very soon, and then you can just watch those videos and get the knowledge from those videos. If you guys want to talk to me, then you can just schedule the meeting. I'm gonna put the link in the description. You can just schedule the meeting. Also, I'm going to upload a website very soon. I'm going to deploy the website very soon, so you guys can reach out to me through the website and all that. I might mention the emails and all that uh, over there, so you guys can just email me. So it's like that. Moving ahead, thank you so much and keep learning. And the fees here are like the subscription and like so. I really want you guys to subscribe my channel, click that bell notification, all that, just like all the YouTubers says out there, you know. So the thing is that I want you guys to learn. I mean, I really don't care about the subscription and likes here. I'm not here to, you know, gain the subscribers and all that. I'm just here to upskill myself. And if I'm able to change your life as well, I'll be very happy. So I guess that's all for this video. And I will upload the next video related to some machine learning or something like that very soon. Thank you for watching this video.